Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's class we're going to look at these Zara trendy slippers. So now we have our plain paper, and with our ruler we're going to draw a straight line. Okay, now we're going to take a measurement from the end down here, 7 centimeter. That's our 7 centimeter mark there. So let's quickly extend it a bit. Okay, 7 centimeter. Now with the help of our ruler we're going to connect the marks we just made now. So rule on it to have a straight line. So now what we're going to do is from here to here we're going to take a measurement of 3.5 centimeter. This pattern will be cut on fold. We need about 7 centimeters, so half of it is 3.5. So go ahead, make a mark of 3.5 centimeter all along. Then we will use our ruler to connect it. Okay, so let's quickly roll this way. Okay, make sure that it stays pretty nice, that is straight enough. Okay, so this is the 3.5 centimeter line here now. So the next thing we are going to do is take a measurement from here to here, 1.5, from here to here, 1.5, from here to here, 1.5. So after cutting out this 1.5, we will have 2 centimeter left inside. This is 1.5 here, and also 1.5 from this other longer side of it. Okay, so we are trying to achieve a square of 7 centimeter against 7 centimeter. So this is our 1.5 here, so we'll just connect this like this and this way. Okay, having a smaller square inside. So we're going to use our ruler also to connect those lines so that we have a straight, an even and straight line. Okay, so now this is what we have. Our first square pattern is ready. So all we have to do is to curve these ends. So I'm going to use this cap. Okay, this is my super glue cap, and do the marking there, curve it out, then cut it. Okay, so here I've curved it out already. So what we are going to do now is to fold this on the line that we draw, the center line itself. So make sure that you are folding on that line and it sits pretty nice. Okay, so you can use stapler to hold the center of this while you cut it. So we are going to trim this off now. So here I have trimmed off the square, and this is how it looks like. So now the next thing we are going to do is the center tongue that runs across. Okay, so what we do is not going to be straight. We are trying to have a strap that will be firm. So taking a measurement inside here, you see that is about 4 centimeter. So we are going to draw a straight line, first with our ruler. This straight line will be taking a measurement of anywhere from 16 centimeters so that you have excess for lasting the tongue of the slippers. Okay, so let's quickly draw our line, just a straight line as always. Okay, so now we will take our measurements with our tape, 16 centimeter or above. You can just increase it, you can trim it off later. Okay, so have about 16 centimeter and above. So this is the mark here. So what we are going to do now is, because this place measures 4 centimeter, the tip here we will divide it into two. That's 2 centimeter here, 2 centimeter there, giving us a total of 4 centimeter. Okay, so after this we will roll over it. Okay, with our ruler we will connect the two dots we just made now. Okay, so now we will come down by 8 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter here. So from this 8 centimeter we are going to divide our 1 centimeter into two. That's having half centimeter, 0.5 centimeter here and 0.5 centimeter the other way. Now we use our ruler and connect these two together. That's the 2 centimeter to our half centimeter, like so. So we're going to have, let's say, a long triangle. Okay, so we'll connect this other side like so. So now this is what we have here. Now we will extend our 1 centimeter downwards to the end. That's half centimeter here, half centimeter there. Then connect it so that's 1 centimeter at the center. Okay, so this is the length of our tongue strap, and as you can see it has a very long triangle. I'll show you the reason why I have to make it like this instead of just straight. Okay, so now go ahead and cover out this, make sure that it stays. Now all we have to do is to trim this out. All right, so gradually trim this strap out. Make sure that it sits pretty nice, because what if you make mistake, is the shape is going to be odd. So now this is what we have. Now this strap is going to be sandwiched inside the square like this. Okay, so what we do now is quickly cut our leaders with these patterns here, the long strap and also the square. So here I've cut all my straps. Okay, so this is the square and the long strap triangle like, and also I've also cut out the long one. So now what we are going to do is sandwich this strap, this particular strap, at the back of this square like this. Let it not get to the tip, just before the tip. Okay, so as it goes inside. So this is what we are supposed to have. So we'll use our spark glue to just hold this in place. If you are not comfortable, please apply adhesive so that you don't spoil the main vam. So make sure that it doesn't get to the tip of it. So we should have something like this. Okay, so if you notice, I've already aligned the longer strap. So now we will align this square after attaching the tongue strap like so. Make sure you bring it out to the front, the top, then align it like so. All right, so now this is what we have. We're going to sew this like this and also sew the inside as well. That's the outside and the inside will be sewn also. So let's quickly do the next. So here I've done the next one, and I'll just take it to my sewing machine and start here to sew it round. So at this place we'll hide it. That's the essence, the starting. Okay, so now after this I will trim off the lining. You can see, just fold it this way, snip it like this, and insert your scissors. Just be careful not to cut through, and trim off the in and the also out. So this is what we have. Okay, everything sits pretty nice inside here. So now we will insert this other long strap. It measures 4 centimeter because that's the opening at the center now. So why the square triangle, long triangle, is so that this particular strap we are putting now will stay in place. As you can see how it holds perfectly there without shaking, but this other smaller side folds this way, which is not really proper. So this is why I increased the end of that side so that it stays in perfect. Also, your tongue pipe measures 2.5 centimeter for female footwears. So insert it and we will couple our footwear. So here I've already prepared my insole. I'm going to couple it. So here, this is what we have, and as you can see, it sits pretty nice, and I love the color combo as well. If you learned anything new and you enjoyed the tutorial, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment if you have any question for me and I'll be glad to answer it. Alright, I hope you're going to try this soon. Share it to others to see, and I will see you in my next class. Bye.